Zoobedo, Zoobedo, Zoobedo. It's a crazy world.
Yeah, we breathe so pure and clear, but pollution clouds drawing near. From cars and factories, smoke does rise, harming our planet to our surprise. Let's clean the air, make it fresh and clean, with trees and plants, a vibrant scene. Reduce emissions, save our sky, for birds to soar way up high. Water precious and crystal blue, but pollution makes it murky true. Plastic waste and chemicals, they flow, harming marine life far below. Earth, our home, so green and grand, but pollution leaves a scarred land. Trash and litter strewn around, harming nature where life is found. Let's clean the earth, restore its beauty, with eco-friendly habits. A sacred duty, plant trees, reduce waste, and recycle right. Preserving habitats, a shining light. Awareness is key for kids and grown-ups too. To protect our planet, it's what we must do. Educate, inspire, and take action bold, for a cleaner, greener world to behold. Let's clean our planet, air, water, and earth. Through unity and love, we give them worth for future generations. Let's pave the way with sustainable.
Let's clean our planet, air, water, and earth. Through unity and love, we give them worth for future generations. Let's pave the way with sustainable choices every single day. So join hands, let's make a stand for a world where pollution is banned. With each small step we make a start to heal our planet with a caring heart.
Zoobedo, Zoobedo. It's a crazy world.